How are you?
Thanks for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
Thank you so much for coming.
This is a big day.
We're excited to show you where your stuff is.
Oh my God, I can't wait to see.
So we have your stuff right back here.
Oh my God.
Yeah, look.
Oh my God, it's official.
Ah.
It's official. Yay. And I'm in a great company. Yay.
Hi guys, how are we doing today? I want to introduce you to Victorija Bowers. We are now carrying her new Kit Ritual condensing system, depotting system. We're going to do a little demo for you today, but first I have a couple of interview questions for her. I know that you have a very interesting and inspiring backstory, so I would love for you to tell that story to everybody.
Well, it kind of like lends itself to that American dream, or just kind of overcoming obstacles that come your way and really making your dreams come true. I sound like that commercial, but we're gonna make your dreams come through. But basically, I'm a refugee. I'm a war refugee. Back in ex-Yugoslavia during the wartime, we came to America. I had to start over. I remember having a cardboard box as my coffee table, and I thought I was fancy. Wow. But it definitely gives you gratitude and a perspective that everything you do work for makes it more special because of the circumstances that you came from and the journey that you had to take to get there. So I always say makeup saved my life, and that is so true, because at my lowest, I have dealt with personal loss and deaths in my family, and having a coffee table made out of cardboard. I was scouted by Mac, and that's how I started. And it was one of those divine moments for me when I picked up that brush. It was like an angel's, shone the light and show me the way. And so coming to this point today, being here with you guys, being a makeup artist who shopped at the Manhattan Wardrobe for years, that my product, something that I worked on so hard, and it is almost like an accent to my story, is here on these shelves, is that testament to going through your personal journey and bettering yourself, and really being grateful for the opportunities that you've given, and I am so grateful for all of it.
Wonderful. I know that you did the artwork for the packaging for your stuff.
Yes.
But which, by the way, is stunning.
Thank you.
There's such a dreamy quality to the things that you do, and what are your inspirations?
Okay, so a full disclosure, we named our daughter Faye, F-A-E, Luna, the fairy moon. So a lot of my inspiration comes from fairy tales and myths and folklore. And I just like those dreamy characters that let you escape your everyday world. And to get to this image was a journey. It almost took a year of trying out different, what it felt right. And then we finally came down to this image as our first introduction to Kit Ritual, which we plan though to almost not every year, but once we run out of this image, the new image will be created for the Kit Ritual, so you will be almost having a collectibles when it comes to. And we are artist-driven company that comes from the fine art background, and we want to bring that into the Kit Ritual, going through with other products as well.
Okay, that's great.
Yes, so art-based.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
So after stalking your website and your Instagram, so I've noticed that your illustrations, your packaging, your artwork kind of flows through into the type of makeup that you do as well. I'm wondering if the jobs, are you choosing these jobs purposely to allow you that avenue, or is it coincidence?
I think it's a little bit of both. Oh, being an artist and being a makeup artist kind of fused together for me a long time ago. But it can be said to for any makeup artist or any beauty professional, you develop yourself and you craft your own identity throughout the years of working. And for me, I derive so much inspiration from art and vice versa. So I think when we were developing Kit Ritual, it needed to be such a strong correlation between the both because it is a very core of my existence.
What came first, the artist illustrator or the makeup artist?
So the makeup artist came first, but the illustrator was always brewing within me. I always wanted to do that, but I just didn't know how until I met my husband almost 20 years ago. And he is the one who started everything and who is actually a big part of this company and the creation of the Kit Ritual. He is a painter and an artist too, and he's a photographer. So whenever I would paint and stuff, he would always yell from the background, "Where is your light source coming from?" And I'm like, "Oh, damn the light source, I'm an artist." But it makes sense, you know, there are rules in a painting as much as there's in makeup. And I'm very grateful for his guidance when it comes to that. And then I took it and I made it my own, and it just solidified who I am and helped me develop my makeup artist skills through art.
Okay. Tell me about your inspiration for Kit Ritual.
So as a makeup artist, we have our rituals when it comes to organizing our kit. I know I do. I go into a moment of zen and I have a mission to declutter, organize, and make more sense. And that's where it came from. It came from those rituals that we do as a professionals, and we really wanted to develop a product that is top-notch, it has best materials, and is artist-driven, and it's art-driven as well. And the Kit Ritual was developed with my husband, who has a background as an artist and he's a photographer, but he's also what we call a Bob the Builder. So I would nag and tell him what obstacles I came across while looking for a perfect palette, and he took that in mind and created a Kit Ritual palette with me in mind, and now we're passing it on to other artists.
Do you have any hobbies outside of makeup and illustration?
Oh, good Lord, probably not. I live with my sketchbook and I'm constantly sketching, but I do love a good art, you know, role-playing video game.
Okay.
So I'm a little bit of a nerd. Like anything that has to do with dragons and dungeons or something like that, I'm definitely a fan.
I love that answer.
Yeah.
Who would play you in a movie about your life?
Well, I mean, if now they're like, you know, older, but like, let's say people say that I look like a Juliette Lewis a lot, or Juliette Binoche.
Yeah.
So I guess that would be the answer, you know. Of course, you know, Angelina Jolie would be amazing, but that's a far stretch.
Victoria, thank you so much for coming in and chatting with me today about Kit Ritual. I'm super excited to talk to people about it now.
Well, honor is all mine. Thank you, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.